So just before the summer decides to take a quit on us and call it a wrap, I decided to go to the Latta Nature Preserve, which is located in Charlotte, North Carolina. Yeah, I was really excited to go there. Something different. So on my way, just at the entrance, I came across the names that are cast in stones. These names are actually the names of the donors, those that donated the birds. Those that donated the raptor to the preserve, and the year they were brought into the preserve. Some of the names were the names of the raptors. I could see some raptors like baby Ollie or something. Yeah. But yeah, these are like names. And it was really fascinating to see. I actually almost missed out on it, but I am so glad I was able to like catch a glimpse of it and make a record of it. So we handed this map. Oh, thank God for my geography. I was so excited to put it to work and I understood it perfectly. This map helped like guide like as a guide through the trail. It's just like a 45 minutes trail, not a big one. So we got this raptor tree, family tree. I never knew raptors actually had family tree. But yeah, that's a discovery. So the trail continues as you go along the trail. You see different raptors, their breed, and fun facts about these raptors. Fun facts, I think they call them fast facts, but basically you get what they feed on, where they are from. Yeah, I think you get where they are from and what they prey on. Yes, and fun facts, also fast facts and fun facts. So this place is actually very serene. Oh my god, the ambience was something else. It gave you the safari vibes. And you could actually hear the birds in the background. It was really beautiful. And the fact that I got to learn about these different raptors and their names, it was exciting. See, I won't lie, I paid my entrance fee and I was really struggling to see some of these raptors like after like what I paid for. After paying and spending so much money, I wanted to like have a feel of everything. Along the trail you see some fun facts, you see some guides, you see exciting quotes, and yeah, it was just this one. I had to find it. Why can't I find you? I paid though. Why can't I find you? Yeah, I had to zoom. It was stressful. The birds were not even engaging. I keep calling them birds, raptors. Yeah. So like I said, you see some write-ups. The trip was giving this African safari vibes. There are chairs you could actually sit and chill. It was fun. I saw the eagle owl. I saw different species of owls, and oh my god, I had some chills anyways because of our tales of owls. I'm an African. I'm in Nigeria, and I know what what is it? What we've heard about owls. The things we've been told, but we had a lot. Don't worry. Along the way, you see some like a couple of owls I saw, and they were really creepy. They were creepy. These are like species survival plants. These are Syriama. Yeah, it was really fun to see some of these raptors in action, not just perching, not just stirring. Well, it's not as fun as going to the zoo where you see different species of animals. These are just basics, like specifically birds, raptors. I got a hold of it and it was fun. I made it fun actually. Yeah. This one is a learner. What a learner what? Was donated by Betty O'Leary. This is a learner Falcon. Yup. This is a learner Falcon. I think it was from Africa. It's from Africa. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, there were a lot of people coming to see this. This is different from my normal. It's different from my usual, but I feel like being spontaneous. I just had to do something different from what I'm used to, and yeah, it gives me. It was fun. It was fun. I won't lie. It was fun. I really don't know what some of these birds were doing or these raptors were doing. Or like we came here to be educated or entertained, whatever. But I wasn't really getting that. This one I was looking for it, I couldn't even find it. Like, what is the problem? I was seriously searching. You can see the nest looks seriously empty. I was searching. But luckily, I think when I was almost giving up, I saw it. Like, yeah, I came back. I zoomed in. I'm sorry if you can't see it, but I tried to see everything I must see. Yeah, right there. I saw it. I saw what I paid for. Oh my word. Yeah, but yeah. A domestic cat can kill 1.4 billion birds in a year. 1 to 4 billion birds in a year. What? That's a fun fact. At least you know that now. Domestic cats? I never knew. Yeah, these are more raptors. Each of these raptors, I try as much as possible to capture what they are and their names. And yeah, I really had an eventful day. I had opportunity to engage in some games where I did the smelling thing. I tried to detect a smell. This is a hooded vulture. I don't know why they have vultures in here, but it is what it is. We had hooded vulture. I saw some other vultures. Yeah, I saw those, what's it called? I think along the way I'll show you a vulture that can sense, like has a sense of smell from up to 4 miles away. You can actually smell, detect. I had an informative section where the lady had to educate me. I'm sorry, I couldn't catch that on camera. Educate me how these particular vulture, yeah, these particular vultures are like they can be used for detecting scents or smells, and they are very